Hello, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing another challenge, and it is how many regens I can do in 1 minute. So I have a stopwatch right here, and I will also have a stopwatch on the screen. So what we're going to be doing is basically just seeing how many regens we can do in 1 minute. I'm going to be doing as many regens as I can in 1 minute. That's basically the whole challenge. You can try this if you want. Let's start. So I have the timer right here, and once I click start, I will start doing as many regens as I can. So I'm just going to do bind, regen, and I'll count how many I do in my head. And I'm starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay, that's timer. So I hit 18, hold on, I hit 18 regens in 1 minute. That's my record. See what yours is and post it in the comments. Anyways, that's another challenge video, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.